Well, that hit a little too close to home. Guess we better get going then.
Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads.
It all happened so suddenly. Everything was going great. We were exactly where we wanted to be. Or so we thought. One minute you're here, doing what you do. Next, you're somewhere else entirely. Does that happen to any of you? That abrupt shift, that quiet nudge, pulling you away from what you thought was stable. But I need you to understand something. Understand that things are going to change. Not in some grand apocalyptic sense, but subtly, quietly, without asking for permission. And understand that it's time to move on, not by choice, but by necessity. We need to accept the fact that, at least in our reality, all things come to an end, whether we want them to or not. But here's the thing. The time spent here, it wasn't lost. Not to us anyway. Not to those who care. And to those who remember. But in the end, the moments, the small, unassuming moments, they're what linger. And they don't fade so easily.
Everything's fine. Nothing to worry about. It's a huge mess in here. Everything's fine. Nobody panic. Nobody panic. I moved shops again. Yep. New shop. And I have been busy. Decided to get the floors epoxied before I moved in because, well, it looks awesome and you know how I hate dust. So that took a while. I covered the walls in plywood and had to paint. The drywall was pretty messed up in here. It's a pretty similar floor space to my other shop, without the dividing wall in the small office. The ceilings are a lot shorter though. I moved the machines over, and as you know, that's always a super fun adventure. Not stressful at all. And then I just basically crammed all the other stuff in here. It's kind of usable. It wasn't all sunshine and rainbows though. Besides the 600 volt 3-phase I was leaving behind at the other shop, this one basically was running on a glorified extension cord. Yikes. So I upgraded the wiring and the panel. Unfortunately, it's only a 100 amp service, so it's going to be a while before I even think about powering up the CNC lathe. The other machine shouldn't be a problem though. But I saved the best part for last. It's not always going to be this crammed in here. Let me show you why.
So why isn't it going to be crammed full of stuff?
Oh.
Don't leave me hanging
What?
here.
What? What are you talking about?
You were describing our new workshop, but what is the best part?
Oh, I thought it was showing. Never mind. Let's go see right now.
So why isn't it going to be crammed full of stuff? Don't leave me
No.
hanging here. You were describing our new workshop.
What is going on?
It sounds cool. I'm very excited to see it. So why isn't it going to be crammed full
What?
of stuff?
No.
You were describing our new workshop.
You can't feel that? Something is not right. Ah!
keeps messing with my time, yeah, that's how it rolls. I'm trying to see my studio, I just wanna peek. But every time I turn around, I lose a whole week. Resetting the clock, yeah, it don't even care. It's like, nope, not today with the villainous glare. I built this place for my YouTube grind, but my arm's like, nah, you're gonna stay behind. Why you messing with my time, robot? Why? I just wanna see the setup, not gonna lie. Every second I get close, you hit rewind. Guess the studio's got secrets I'm not meant to find. Why you resetting my time, robot? Why? I just wanna see the setup, not gonna lie. Every second I get close, you hit rewind. Guess the studio's got secrets I'm not meant to find. I'm trying to film vids with that crispy shot, but the arm's in the corner, plotting some plots. Sorry boss, the studio ain't your domain. You're not supposed to see it, so I'm messing with your brain. Living a sci-fi prank, I'm caught in a loop. I blink and poof, I'm back in the coop. Robot, come on, give me a break. But it's just too slick and I made the mistake. Why you messing with my time, robot? Why? I just wanna see the setup, not gonna lie. Every second I get close, you hit rewind. Guess the studio's got secrets I'm not meant to find. Why you resetting my time, robot? Why? I just wanna see the setup, not gonna lie. Every second I get close, you hit rewind. Guess the studio's got secrets I'm not meant to find. So here I am trapped in this paradoxical maze. Can't even get into my studio, I'm stuck in a haze. But one day will come on where I'll break the chain. And then you mark my words, I'm gonna film you in vain.
Yeah. I think we need to talk.